Yo guys, so today I'm going to be doing a video on how to make money as a teenager, and you guys have came to this video because you are just struggling to take your girl to Nando's. I know how it is, but without the girlfriend. I know how it feels, like you've got no money, you just want to take your girlfriend for a nice meal and then you just can't. And then this is why I'm here to help you take your girl to Nando's basically, or whatever you want to spend your money on. The first thing that you want to do to make money is ask your parents for jobs around the house. Literally they'll just be like, can you do the dishwasher? Can you do the clean the plates? Is the dishwasher cleaning the plates? I think it is. Yeah, but do that. Wash the plates.
2,000 years later.
And then like do whatever, go around the house, see what you can do, or go and clean your dad's cars. Oh shit, I always have to do that. 20 quid each time. Shit boy, that's how I got this chain. Joking, my dad gave it to me.
Oh sorry, oh I'm sorry, don't hurt me, sorry.
That's just easy 20 quid, put that away, save that money. And yeah guys, you can't complain if you're not making money and you're just lying in bed like a lazy like little shit. You can't be complaining about that. You're, oh I'm not making any money, I've got no money, I'm so broke, help me. You can't be complaining because you are probably just lying in bed on your phone right now watching this video when you could be going around your house finding stuff to do. So yeah, you guys need to get up, get that motivation from me here. I'm telling you, get up, go and make that money now. Come on, let's all get rich. Okay, so the second tip to make money as a teenager is to sell sweets at school. I know you guys are watching right now. People that I've probably sold to are watching this right now. I always used to sell sweets at school. Lucasades, sweets, everything. Yeah, so as I was saying, I used to sell each drink for £1 and I would literally sell about 10 a day, that's like £10. I come back balling with like sweets and Pepsi, because that's all I used to spend all my money on. If I did save that money, I would be an absolute millionaire. I'd be balling right now. Obviously, I didn't save it and I spent my money. That's what another thing you guys should not do, is spend your money. Don't spend your money. Like, well, spend your money, but like, spend it wisely, okay? But I don't know why I'm telling you this, because I should be telling that myself.
Smart. You very smart.
Okay, so the third tip is get a part-time job. That's what I've just recently done. I went to a restaurant down the road. I was like, yo, I need a job. And they was like, yeah, I can give you a job. And then they gave me the job, so I was like, bless. And now I'm just getting paid like the minimum wage, £4.35 an hour, I think. It's all right, but it's something. And when you start little, eventually, boom, 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 get big, and then boom, that's when you're making £1,000 a week. I'm telling you, you'll be making loads of money off these tips. You got your part-time job, you go around your house, and what are you doing? You're selling sweets at school. So you should be balling now. This should be like level 2 at least of being a baller. You want to get higher, this is what you need to do. You need to save like every week. So like if you make like all that money, you need to put like 20 quid away. Like tell your bank that you want to put like 20 quid away each week, and your bank will be like, all right, then we'll do that for you. And then they'll put the 20 quid in the bank, and then when they put the 20 quid in the bank, it'll keep building up, and then all of a sudden you'll have like loads of money, and then you'll be like, whoa, how the hell did I get all of that? And you got to that money sitting there, you got that, boom, it's like, got that money there, you can just, come on then, it's what? Okay. If you are good on your computers, yeah, you guys, if you're good on your computers, if you're good at Photoshop, if you're good at editing videos for YouTubers, you could be doing YouTube videos for, you could be editing YouTube videos for other people, do thumbnails for people on Photoshop. Literally, just need to learn the software. That's good as well. If you can learn the software and then you can sell your products to people, and you've made it for them, and you spent your time, literally, that's like another great way of making money. That's what I used to do. I used to edit YouTubers videos, and then I've stopped now because I just don't really have the time right now, but they just use Photoshop, editing videos, all of that shit. The next, sixth one now, yeah, the sixth tip, what you guys want to do is go around your room right now, go around your room and just look. What can you see? Can you see some stuff which you just don't use anymore? It's just lying there catching dust. Because what you need to do is go to that stuff, pick it up. You got it in your hand, yeah? You got it in your hand right now. Take a picture of it, put it on eBay. Shit, you've already just started to make that little bit of money now. It's coming. You're just pouring a drink now into the bottle, but you haven't drank it yet. So yeah, listen, you sell it, and then oh my god, the cash comes through. It's like, yo, how do you get this cash? And the money has just came through into your bank account, and then you're balling. You just made like £100 from selling what? Your Beats pill, which you've just not using anymore. Also guys, when you're selling stuff around your room, you could also sell clothes as well. So if you're not wearing any like old clothes, just you put them on Depop. That's another great way. I've made a lot of money off Depop. Make sure to sell stuff on Depop and you will make a lot of money. Another great way to make money, following on from that, is you could go onto like Nike and buy like hype shoes which would sell for more, so you're making a profit off those shoes. That's another great way. I've done that once and I've made like £200. That's like a lot of money just from selling shoes, you know what I mean? Okay, so the 7th tip, guys, is how to make money as a teenager or as a child. Anyone can do this one. You could do YouTube. All you have to do is just like set up your account, and then as soon as you've like got big, got like a few thousand views, maybe about 1 million views, you could get like mega money. Like if you see the likes of Jake Paul, Logan Paul, all the big YouTubers, KSI, the Sidemen, they're all in big houses. It's like, whoa, you're like, what the fuck, how did they make so much money? It's all from YouTube, branding, advertisements, all of that chihuahs. I've already said that twice now, haven't I? Oh shit. Okay guys, so if you did want to do YouTube and you're not really sure on how to get like your first 1,000 subscribers, I might do a video on how to get your first 1,000 subscribers, how to get your first 1,000 views, or how to get followers on Instagram, anything like that, anything you want me to do. Just make sure to leave a comment down below and I might do a video on that. Okay guys, so the 8th tip that you could do is do stuff for your brothers and sisters. Like you could clean their room and they might give you a little bit of money. Just be nice to your brothers and sisters, guys. That's another great life lesson. Be nice to your brothers and sisters and they will let you just tidy their room for money, and that is another great way of making cash on the side. Okay, also guys, the last tip is to go onto Fiverr, which is a website, or you can get the app. And basically what it is a website where you have loads and loads of lists and lists of jobs, like depending on what you want to do, like editing videos, and you just go onto that, click on it, and it will do the and then you can do the job for the person and the person will pay you for it. That's like another great way of making money. I've done that a few times. I've edited people's videos, I've made like pictures and stuff, edited pictures and stuff for some people. That's just another great way of like making like a little bit of cash on the side. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video for today. And if you want me to do another video like this, like another how-to video, then make sure to leave a comment down below, make sure to leave a like, also subscribe, and also check out my description. It's got all my social medias down there, so follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Snapchat if you want to message me. Say whatever you want, I don't really care, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Oh, moustache in that, man like.
I'm about to slide on your ass. I ain't looking at you, got my eyes on the cash. Baby daddy with me, he don't see class. Look, I killed a scene, dead flies on your ass. I feel codeine in my tank, but I'ma pump 89 for the gas. Summertime niggas on the ground with the slab. Overtime nigga finna ride till he crash.